Good morning, everybody. Let me show you what my new project is going to be. I've got everything piled in here right now. There's Miss Key down there. I got up at 3 o'clock this morning. Now, I've been in this house almost 3 years. It'll be 3 years in May. And I never got this bathroom painted. The reason is, right after we moved in here, is when my husband's health started failing so badly. And he was my priority, not painting a bathroom. I just shut the door. It didn't matter to me. So yesterday I started painting it. I got my spackling and I had my paint all ready, what I was going to do. And I came in and started painting. Oh, there you see I'm in my robe. There I am. Here's my sun catchers I put up there. Of course, there's no sun right now. It's 3 a.m., y'all. I've been up a while. Anyway, I have to move all this stuff out, which I can do. I can do that. And all this stuff off of here. And this little table off of here, because I don't have much storage in here at all. And in here is towels and sheets and all that stuff. And I just put a lace curtain over it. But let me show you what I'm doing. Here's the shower. Try not to fall over things. Okay, so I'm painting up here. And that's a caramel color. I can't think of the name of it right this second. It's warm caramel or something. And I just spackled that place right there. And I have to paint over that. And I got that back up after I got that painted. And I have to come on across here. And then here, this is a 1941 door. It's original to the house. It was on the kitchen. I had to move it in here because at one time this was a window, this opening right here. And they built this bathroom on here. And they did a really bad job of it. But I won't go into that because I'm all fired up over the fence right now anyway. And the idea for getting in here painting and doing this was to get my mind off of that. And that's the way I do things. When I get real upset over something, I divert my attention to something else that needs attention. And so I got to take all that down, paint all of that. I wish I'd quit filming myself. So this is what I'm doing. Got all my paints and stuff down here. Got to get all this painted. Got to redo the step, get it painted. And this thing right here is just a towel bar. I put it up here for my husband so that he'd have a bar to hold on to. And I had a bar up here too, so he could pull up. If I had it to do over again, I wouldn't have had a step here. Because he fell because of that step. I fell on this floor. And I found him at 4 o'clock one morning. That was horrible. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I'm painting it that color, that caramel color. However, it looks darker right now than it really is. Let me see. That's not helping much. It looks darker right now than it really is. That's what I'm doing. I got this little table over here, but I don't know if I'm going to leave it over there or not. I had a towel bar here. This towel bar across here. And I don't know if I'm going to put it back or not. The only thing I did, y'all, was just to hold some pretty towels. I didn't actually even use the towel bar. It just held some pretty towels, which I don't care about the pretty part anymore. It's not important to me. I care about function part. So I don't know if I'm going to leave this little table here or I got distracted by Miss Key in the bathtub. Or what I'm going to do over there. I may put a chair over there. I may put some kind of little lingerie chest. I kind of like that idea of going in there. And I've got room for it there. I like that idea a lot. But it'd have to be kind of short, wouldn't it? Anyway, I'm going to do that. So, that's my project that I've got going. And I've got this part of the wall done. As you can see, I've got to come on over and finish all this. Finish all this up here and down here. Finish this wall. Do behind that mirror and those lights up there. That's going to be a booger. Finish all that. Take all this out. Finish that. That's a lot to do. And then finish that little side wall right there. But I can get it done. Like I said, it keeps my mind on what my mind needs to be on right now. But I am looking forward to the fence project. Y'all have given me some wonderful ideas. And I can't wait to see what I'm going to do back there. I'm real excited about that now. Okay, so I'm going to go get my clothes on and get ready to paint and get my stuff and put it on the floor so I don't get paint all over that. And I'm going to get to work. Tell them bye-bye, Miss Key. Tell everybody goodbye and thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching videos. And thank you for subscribing. And thank you for leaving comments. It sure does help. Yes, it does. Okay, y'all. Have a great day. I will see you soon. Hope God is good to you today. Bye-bye.